करना. First of all, congratulations to DPS Mahendra Hills and ma'am, hats off to you for this. So guys, I tell you one thing, I don't want to give you any speech or any kind of my experience which is helpful to you. I just want to tell you only one thing. The schooling is the best part of your life. That is my, I think बहुत सुना होगा, right? But I tell you, when you drop out from the school, that time you realize how much you pampered in the school. So each and every bit in the school, just enjoy it. Because this is the only the strength pillar which makes you to run higher and higher for the 90 years of your life. Okay, this is the mantra, but I just come to the point what I want to share with you is, you know, a lot of people tell you that you have to do this, you have to do that. Listen to your heart first. Tell your brain that I want to do this. And I tell you, it will happen. It will happen. There is only 3 boxes for everyone. One, God, what you want from the God. What I said you right now, what you want to do. What you want to do. It's not like a statue of a God or something. What you want to do, there is a one box. Ask God or your mentor or something, I want to do this. Manifest, I want to do this. That's the one box. Second box, what you want to do for the society or what you want to do for the others. Third box, what you want others do for you. This is a simple फंडा of life यार. यहीं पर आपको करना है और यहीं पर आपको वापस करवाना है. So if you want next of your birth beautiful, do it for the people and make them do it for yourself. Tell them, I want a cup of coffee. They feel happy and feel good. So this is the kind of only single mantra for the success is there. Ask your mentor or God that I want this. Do something for your other people and tell them that do for me. So मांगना बुरा नहीं है. When you ask people that I want this, you are creating a network. You are making a fence. You are making a people's shoulders for you. So ask people, I want this. I want to do this. I need this help. This is the only mantra for the success. I finish with the 2 lines.